The 2011 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: airbags, four-wheel ABS, air conditioning, cruise control, keyless entry, floor mats, FWD, child-proof rear door locks, security package, power windows, power locks, security system, side airbag, vehicle stability assist, daytime running lamps, brake assist, folding rear seats, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, map lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.